Hey girl, hey, it's Simone Love coming at you with another video. And on today's video, we are going to be talking about this amazing setup here. Like, do you guys not see this lighting? Do you not see the glow? So with this video, I just want to say thank you to my parents for getting me the products that they got me for Christmas. My mom ended up getting me this full-length mirror that's right here behind me. I've been wanting one since forever, and I haven't been able to find the right one. Everyone should know by now that I love champagne gold. My room is a silver and gold theme. If you guys know that song by T-Pain, Silver and Gold, thumbs this up, put it in the comments below. Way back in the day, you know what I'm saying? But I really have been wanting to just vamp my room in general, or just vamp my space. Yes, I record in my room clearly, as you guys can see my TV. This little piece here is a glass clock that my mom also got me for Christmas, and it's like that champagne gold theme as well. And then you guys see my little bins back there. I plan on getting my TV mounted up top so that I can put more stuff along here. I also have to paint it over again because it was originally white. I did it gold, and then I ended up doing it white again, and the white is just coming off. It just doesn't look its best the way that it could. But again, like I said, like I'm just getting everything situated and together so that I can have more of a professional feel when I do these videos here for you guys, or even when I'm doing like pictures and stuff like that, because I'm looking to just revamp everything within my life. And the main thing that I want to talk to you guys about is my ring light here, because before, when I was doing my videos, again, I stated in a different video that I record with my phone. I don't have my camera that I want. The camera that I wanted was on back order, and I just decided to upgrade my phone to the iPhone XR. So if you guys are wanting to hear me go a little bit more in depth about that purchase, then you guys should definitely go ahead and look at my other video. I will have that somewhere down below. So I don't have like everything that your typical YouTuber has, clearly, because I'm still fresh doing this. I'm learning the ropes. I've gained a lot of subscribers within the time that I have been consistent, and I thank you guys so much. You guys don't even understand. Like, it just makes me happy to know that there are people who I don't even know, like, they really like my videos. They comment, they share their perspectives, they ask me questions. Like, it makes me really happy. And like I said, I just wanted to start upgrading certain things to have more of a more professional field, especially with me having, you know, my lashes and my hair and stuff like that. And I'm a one-woman show. Like, I don't have anybody helping me. I don't have anybody editing. I don't have anyone doing my pictures or photo shoots and stuff for me. Like, everything that you guys have seen on my website or my YouTube and all that good stuff, I do myself. Like, I don't have anyone doing the editing and software for me. So I have to make sure that everything that I have coming into my business, I'm putting it right back into it. Like, if I'm getting money in, I'm putting it right back out into my business. And I knew that Christmas was the perfect time for me to pretty much ask for stuff that I would have normally asked for. And because of the fact that my parents are so supportive of me, and they honestly know that I can take this somewhere if I put my everything into it and not be lazy about it, they went ahead and bought me a ring light, honey. And they bought me some other little things too, so like I said, I can pretty much restart revamping my entire room and just my house in general. So I'm very grateful for everyone who got me something for Christmas. But this is the brand of the ring light that I got, and it is in the brand newer. Now, one thing that I like about this is because I'm going to obviously show you guys the different pieces that comes with it. It has it's super big. It's big, but it allows you to make space, because every twist and every knob can raise the ring light, it can lower the ring light. And one thing that I'm glad that I didn't do is because my old tripod that I had rigged it up because the piece had broke. If you guys seen one of my previous videos before, I think I deleted it, with my ex, she ended up breaking my tripod while we were at the dollar store, and I pretty much had to like wrap it around with tape because of the fact that I wasn't about to go get another tripod. I wanted to continue doing my videos, I wanted to continue doing my pictures and stuff like that, so I had to honestly make a way to do with what I had. And there was a little piece on there where I had a selfie stick. I put that piece from the selfie stick onto the tripod, and that's what holds your phone or your, you know, whatever. So obviously the little piece that's right here in front of the ring light, you can put your camera right in the middle, and that's what I like about it, because I don't have to get two different tripods in order to hold it. It's literally one and just the whole thing. So I took that little piece, and it literally has a little slide portion in order for you to put the piece right in the middle, and you can still use your phone and you can move it and it holds itself. Oh, it's just amazing. So I'm really glad that I kept that piece, and that my mom put so much thought into the ring light. Mind you, she really don't know nothing about this stuff, and that part, honestly, once I was done like putting it together, that part made me so happy, because I had planned on going to the store to find the piece to hold my phone in, and something just clicked and was like, don't throw your old tripod away, go back, get that piece off and see if it fits. And it did, and this is what we have here. So one thing that I do like about the tripod is because you can literally like make the legs move, like they can literally flip themselves up. But when it lays flat, when I say it's amazing for, you know, those up close and personal pictures, it's good for, you know, when you're down low or whatever. This thing is just amazing, and it's really bright, and it also like has a higher setting than this right here. And when I say like this is really, really, really bright, it's so bright that it's damn near making my head hurt. But this setting here is your typical daylight setting, I guess you can say, but I like how it's interchangeable because it has these here. And pretty much what you do is you just stick each piece on top. It comes in 4 total to make a circle, and it gives you a warmer effect. So if you're looking to warm things up, like you see how I just put this right here, and it gives off a different look compared to that here. I honestly might keep that right here because it just cools it down some, and it's not too, you know, blinding. But no, it gives you a different feel depending on the type of pictures or videos that you're trying to do. That comes in handy. So I am still going to look at different videos that could possibly help me with the setup and show me what exactly it is that I want to do with this, or how to, you know, get it for what I'm doing, especially when it comes to my videos, because it's the main thing that I'm going to be using the ring light and tripod for. You can take the little piece off, you can carry it with you, everything breaks itself down, and you can put it right back into the box or bag here. It's just this thing is just amazing. And like I said, like, I'm just so happy, and I hope you guys can tell the difference that we are upgrading certain things. Shop me extensions, by the way. I have on my merch as well, and I have shirts. Eyelashes are dropping soon, as I stated in the beginning of this video. And like I said, I'm just very happy, and I'm very grateful. My setup is going to be so bomb once I'm finished with this. Like I said, I just look to continue adding different pieces to my room, and if you guys are interested in that, like I said, I could possibly do a room tour for you. I haven't gotten nearly as much done as I wanted to because I threw a lot of stuff away. I'm a hoarder of things. A lot of things didn't even go together. I was just buying stuff. I really don't feel like I even know how to decorate a house or a room, but I'm like trying. I'm just the type of person, I just throw stuff together and hope it looks good. Same with my outfits. I don't plan out anything. I just put it on and say either it's gonna look good or it ain't. I know this video was kind of short and you guys are pretty much like, girl, that's all you finna say. Yes, that's all I'm going to say, is that I got a ring light and I am pretty much upgrading my background and my setup here. I plan on getting a backdrop soon for when I do like my makeup videos and stuff like that, so stay tuned for that as well. If you guys have any additional comments or ideas on how I should do my background, like this little space right here, you just see this outlet. I need something to go right here for when I'm doing my videos because it's bare. So if you guys like this video, of course, thumbs it up, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so that you can keep up for when I am uploading additional videos. Make sure that you share this with your mom, your aunties, your uncles, your nieces, your cousins, everybody, so that they know exactly what it is that I'm doing in my videos and when I'm uploading. So thank you so much, and until next time, I will see y'all later.